Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Ignore the graffiti wall the graffiti wall behind me, and if you hear any sort of construction noise or if you hear any sort of kitten playing in the background, I'm actually starting this video off in my garage today. First of all, let's talk about the elephant in the room. My hair is darker. I got it more natural. It actually has faded quite a bit, so it's gotten lighter. I got low lights and partial blonde balayage, so to kind of blend my natural roots and just to give my hair a break from all the bleach for a little bit. So yeah, like I said, it's actually gotten lighter, so I kind of like it at the state it's at now. It was like a little dark when I first got it, but it was so cute. And also the sun coming in, or the natural light, is making it look a little bit lighter. But anyway, I'm in my garage drinking my coffee, starting off my morning. It's about 11 right now. I woke up at a decent time, but I got a late start to the day. I didn't really get out of bed and start getting ready until like 10:30ish or so. So I'm chilling out, having my coffee. The reason why I'm in the garage is I'm spending some time with kittens. So we're actually kind of like fostering 5 kittens. Our neighbor's cat had kittens. We're kind of like fostering them in the garage until we can get them all to their owners. They're all getting owners. We're actually keeping 2 because when I move out, I'm going to take one with me. So my mom will have one of the kittens and I'll have one. So yeah, there's 5 kittens. Our neighbor's cat had kittens. I got a little bit of footage earlier. They're all like playing right now. I'll try to get some footage later. Welcome back. Oh my god, I literally have not even said once what this video was. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl loruzzy, aka Lauren. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you like lifestyle, vlogs, health, fitness, beauty kind of videos. Oh, here, hold on. Here's one of the kitties. This is Callie. She doesn't really like being held. There's 5. There's 3 girl calicos that look like that, like different versions of that cat, and then 2 male orange cats. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. So I'm gonna make it kind of like vlogish style. I don't really know yet, but I just felt like doing what I eat in a day video. I felt like filming and talking to you guys and jumping back into it. So here is a what I eat in a day video, vegan of course, for you. Definitely make sure to subscribe, like I said, if you're not already. If you are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, welcome back. Cheers. Have some coffee right now. Probably gonna start making something for like brunch, breakfast / lunch soon. I don't really eat until like 11 or 12, honestly, even when I wake up early. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what I want for that and of course show you guys the process. But as of now, I'm just gonna be chilling here, do some journaling, possibly like write in my planner, just chill with the cats, play with them, cuddle them. They already got my white shirt dirty, so I'm gonna have to figure out a situation for that. It's actually kind of hot, so I might change it to a t-shirt. But yeah, welcome back. I wasn't like feeling super hungry this morning, so I just got an everything bagel with vegan BioLife cream cheese. So I'm gonna have that. I'm actually having more coffee. I'm having an iced coffee now. This is leftovers from yesterday, so yeah, I'm just gonna eat this right now. Bryce is leaving for work soon around 2. It's like 12:15 right now. So I'm making him some like dinner to take to work. He just got a new job. I wasn't super hungry and I was like, well, I should eat because it is getting late. So I just made myself a bagel. So I'm gonna eat this and then we will see where the day takes me next. I'm hoping to like vlog today. So hopefully I do something fun. Catch you guys later. I just got a little bit ready. I just did really light makeup, put my hair back, try to make it look nicer, changed a little bit. I'm gonna show you a quick outfit of the day in a second here, but I'm about to head out and go thrifting. I don't know why, I just am in the mood for it. So I'm just gonna go to a couple thrift stores around here. Maybe one, possibly two. I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick, and then I'm gonna take you guys along thrifting with me and try to get some fun stuff. So I'm wearing this Not One More tie-dye shirt that I was wearing earlier, just wearing some black biker shorts and my Air Force Ones with little Nike ankle socks. That's the fit today. I'm gonna go try to find some fun stuff. Honestly, this is the only angle I could get right now that my camera will stay. So on my way home, thrifting was a success. I will do a thrift haul when I get home. Just picked up some Starbucks. I got the kiwi, I think it's kiwi starfruit refresher, and they added lemonade, and it's really, really good. Very refreshing, just what I needed. Just a little pick-me-up. I'm kind of feeling like hungry, but I want to work out, and I don't want to eat anything big because I'll eat dinner like after I work out. So I don't know, I might have a little snack or something when I get home, but for now, just drinking this, and then I'm gonna go home, probably wash the stuff that I got, figure out what I'm gonna do for a workout. But I will show you guys everything I got when I get home and take you along for the rest of the evening. All right, let me drive safely. This is not my proudest moment, but this is real. What I eat in a day, it's vegan. It's not always the healthiest, but this is what I wanted. So I just wanted a little snack, but I didn't want like anything sweet. Skinny Pop, white cheddar flavor popcorn, which the white cheddar flavor is actually vegan, which pretty sure it says, yep, non-dairy cheddar flavor. And somewhere vegan. There she is. Having some of that on the bottom with these hippies. Chickpea snacks. These are the nacho flavor, dairy free as well. They kind of look like cheese puffs. And then some Harvest Snacks, green pea crisps. So not the worst thing in the world, not the best thing, but this is what I wanted. So I'm gonna eat that, drink my Starbucks, go hang out with the kitties, and start figuring out a workout soon. Hi, so try to ignore that like chirping sound in the background. I have the windows open and the cicadas are really, really loud in the summertime. So try to ignore that. I wanted to quickly do a thrift haul. I'm about to work out, but I wanted to do a thrift haul first. So this is what I got today. Today was pretty successful. I spent around 40 bucks. So I got two big bags worth of things. This first thing, it's like a little like filing organizer. I saw it and I honestly can use this for like my larger palettes. I have one like this, but I wanted to get another one, and it was only $3. Next, I got this workout top. This is from Champion. It's got a little gray logo on the bottom, so it's super subtle, but it's just a gray tank top, nothing special. I just needed more workout tops, so figured this would be perfect. It would match with everything, and that was only $4. Next, I got this t-shirt from the men's section. It's just a kitten astronaut. It's kind of stupid, but I just thought it would be funny to like wear to bed or like lounging around the house, so yep, got that. Thought it was cute. That was only $3. Next, I got this t-shirt for Bryce, actually, because I always say that he's grumpy, and this shirt says grumpy all the time. I always tell him that he's always grumpy, so I figured this would be funny to give to him. This was only $4. Next, I just picked up an oversized flannel from the men's section. It's fall coming up, and I figured I could use another one. This is actually brand new. Still has the original tags on it and stickers. It's from Sonoma, and it was half off, so it was like $4 for this. Super cute. It's a medium men's, so it'll be a little bit oversized. I like the colors. It's like cream and navy. I don't have a flannel that's this color, so excited to wear this in the fall. All right, so the next two things definitely were steals. So first, I got these pants, and these are actually from Urban Outfitters, brand new tags, originally $50. I got them they were 15, so a little bit more pricey for like a thrift store, but they're super stretchy, just like checkered pants. I believe they are a little bit wide at the ankle. Super cute. I cannot wait to wear these in the fall with like a turtleneck as any sort of like black shirt. or around the holidays with a sweater. So literally these are so cute, perfect size. They're stretchy. I think they're gonna be really, really comfortable, and literally brand new Urban Outfitters for 15 bucks. So I was really excited to find that. Super excited about this one. I saw it and I thought it was super interesting and I did not want to pass it up. So I got this like little boho type purse. It's like woven material, has the beads on it, super pretty. I don't know, I just figured with the right outfit it'd be really cute. I just thought it was really cute and I did not want to pass it up. I just love the detail on it, and this was only $3, so it was like whatever. And last but not least, these are just what I got for earrings. They are really pretty stones, like peach colored, pink colored stones, like light red with little gold accenting. So I think they're really cute. They're kind of dangly, so I just think these would be perfect to style with something cute. So that was that, and that's pretty much all like the clothes, accessories that I got. Last but not least, I just got this painting. Wait, do you see it? So I saw first this painting because the frame was really cute. So the frame is like salmon peach colored and it's like speckled on it, so it looks a little rustic, and it just has, it's kind of like reminds me of like Arizona. It's got like clay pots with like the kind of like tribal print. Just like reminds me of the desert, and it's like, looks like the background is the desert. Got some succulents, so just like kind of like a New Mexico, Arizona type style. I don't know, I just think it would be really cute in my own place one day. So whenever I see cute home decor stuff, I always get it because it's usually cheap. This painting was $5 and just super unique things. That was the thrift haul. It wasn't much, but I found some good stuff this time, honestly. So I'm pretty excited about everything that I got. I'm about to go change right now into some workout clothes, head downstairs. I'm gonna do like a Mad Fit workout, probably like 20-30 minutes. I still haven't picked exactly which video I want to do yet. My mom should be home soon, and then we can figure something out for dinner. Gonna go work out because I have to, even though I really don't want to. So I'm hopping on with a quick voiceover to explain what I had for dinner this night. My mom and I made vegan taquitos, so we used Beyond Beef and mushrooms as the meat filling, and we used vegetarian refried beans, smeared it on the bottom, added vegan cheese and the filling, and we rolled them up and shallow fried them. I got a side of Follow Your Heart vegan sour cream, some guac, and salsa with hot sauce in it for dipping. These were literally so freaking delicious. I had it with rice. Bon appetit. Bryce and I stuffed our face with Oreos and almond milk for dessert, and I forgot to make an outro for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.